In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform skin retouching using Ibis Paint X without losing the texture. Before we begin, if you enjoy watching photo manipulation editing done on Ibis Paint X, be sure to check out my other videos and show your support by liking them. Here we are in Ibis Paint X. First, I'm going to duplicate our image and then use the eraser to remove the body parts, as we only need the head.
These my dance make it hurt.
Once I'm done removing the body, I'll duplicate it, create a new layer, and clip it. Next, using an airbrush, I'll select the sample color from the skin and paint that area. While doing this, ensure not to paint the entire face with just one color, as it can make the face look flat, which we want to avoid. Notice how my strokes follow the contours of the face. For example, in this area I'm using downward strokes, but in this area, my strokes are more arched. This technique helps maintain the natural shape of the face without making it look flat. Then, goodbye.